Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by prioritizing where dark matter spawns and why it matters for yield. Move directly to high-density zones. Once you arrive, verify your tool tier and durability so you won't lose progress. Make sure you carry 1/2 stack of key consumables like repair kits and mana potions to avoid downtime. As you begin extraction, balance speed and care. Use quick strikes to claim nodes, then switch to controlled methods to maximize drops and preserve tool integrity. Once you have stockpiled dark matter, focus on conversion and why ratios matter. At an arcane forge, combine dark matter with elemental cores in a 3-to-1 ratio to produce stable alloys. This increases success on higher-tier recipes. Make sure to allocate roughly 60% of your material output to weapon upgrades and the rest to armor to keep your power curve balanced. While crafting, monitor failure rates and adjust catalysts to improve yield without wasting rare resources. You finish by applying upgrades and validating performance in a controlled encounter so you measure impact immediately. If an upgrade fails or output seems weak, check the catalyst type and material purity percentage, because mismatched catalysts or low purity cause high failure rates. Once done, salvage at 1/2 efficiency on excess items to reclaim core materials. This saves time and cost. If problems persist, switch to alternative catalysts and rerun a small batch to isolate the fault.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.